Hello, little explorers. Today we have not one, not two, but three silly, funny, and amazing stories for you. So grab your giggles and let's begin the adventure. One day, Rumi bought a banana, but when she was about to eat it, the banana shouted, "Wait, don't eat me. I want to become a superstar." Rumi responded, amused, "A superstar? You're just a banana." But the banana started singing so loudly that the neighbors came running. They clapped and cheered. Encore, encore. And from that day, the banana became famous as Banana Bieber. The banana pleaded in a squeaky voice, "Wait, don't eat me." The audience cheered, "Encore, encore." In the jungle, there lived an elephant with the biggest sneeze ever. Whenever he sneezed, trees shook, monkeys fell off branches, and even birds got blown away. One day, the animals had a party. But oh no, the elephant sneezed so hard